Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In that short video, I'm just going to show you some ideas about these chords. Okay, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave me a like, a comment, and let's dive into it. In that video, we will be in the key of G major. Okay, we have the G, which is the 1, A is the 2, B is the 3, C is the 4, D is the 5, E is the 6, and then F sharp is the 7, back to the 1. Okay? So let us see the first part of the video so we can break it down. Okay, let's stop it there. So, as I said to you, we are in the key of G major. Okay, so it's all my life you have been faithful. You see it? So what is that? I just play a 1 chord to go to the 4 chord with that movement. You see? 3, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 to go to the 4 chord. So there, this is a major 9 chord. Okay, this is a C major 9. So this is a so nice color on a major chord. Major 9 chord. Or major 9 chord is a so nice color on a major chord. Okay? So a C major 9 is made with C. So a C major 9 is made with C, G, C, E, G, B, D. Okay, it's like combining a C power chord in your left hand with an E minor 7 chord. Okay? And then it exactly gave us this nice major 9 chord. So, all my life you have been. There, this is a grace note that I play on the 3 there. To go on the 3 with that melody there and with the 1 chord, okay? And then this famous chord back to the 4. Okay? So what is that chord? This is a chord that we can use as passing chord to go to the 4. Okay? We just play this chromatic movement in our left hand to go to the flat 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, flat 5. And then we just play a chromatic movement, okay, like this, to go on it and with that chord. Okay? So this entirely chord is a 7 sharp 9 chord. This is a C sharp 7 sharp 9. Okay, C7 plus the sharp 9. This is the 9 and this is the sharp 9. Okay, and then we just use it as a passing chord to go to the 4. Okay, so let me try to play it again so you can see everything. So, it's all my life you have been faithful. Okay, I hope you see everything and I hope you understand everything too. And then what I'm going to do now, I'm going to try to use it in another song so you can have a good understanding in it. Okay, so let's choose the song What Often We Have in Jesus. Okay, this is a popular song. Let's choose it. So, what a friend we have in Jesus. You see, so I just use it as a passing chord to go to the 4. What a friend we have in Jesus. Okay, so let's choose another song. Let's choose one last song. Okay, Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. Jehovah is your name. You see, So this is a nice chord, a nice passing chord to go to the 4. Okay, so let's move on. Let's see what we can learn in this video again. So there he's going to play. Yeah, I think this is what he plays. Okay, so okay, so that's it. Let me play it again. Yeah, it's something like this. So let's break it down. So these are grace notes. We just play this and then to go on the 5. So I don't think that he played this 5 chord, but we can play it. This is so nice. Okay, so 1, 6, 5, and then with this nice run, this is 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5. Okay, we'll just play that run with our 3 first fingers, okay? Okay? To go on this nice major 9 chord. This is another C major 9 chord. Okay? So so let's move on. Let us see what we can learn in that video again. So the 1, the 7, and the 6. Okay? You see, so this is the 1. I just play a grace note in my right hand on the 1 to go on the 7, which is a 5 chord in the first inversion, but we can call it, we can consider it as a 7 because of the bass. Okay, so to go on the 6 minor 7 chord, and then on the 5 to go on this major 9 chord again, or major 7 chord. Okay, so five, okay, or, and then you see, okay, this is what he plays. Okay, so this is upper navel chords. We just play the 6 as a minor chord, and then to go to the 5. Okay, E minor, D major. There, this is an open voicing in my left hand. Okay, so D major. Let's say this is D major, and I just drop this F sharp to there. Okay, but so let's play the whole first part. All my life you have been faithful. Dum pum 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 dum pum 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 pum. Okay, so let's move on. So this is probably the same chord that he plays to go to the 4 again. But he just play one chord in his left hand, okay, with the same voicing, with the same chord. There, this is a diminished major 7 chord, F diminished major 7, with the one chord in our left hand. So when we put it with C sharp, the entirely chord was a C sharp 7 sharp 9, but there in this case, this is another chord. Okay, this is a G in our left hand with a F diminished major 7 chord. Okay, and then what we could say again, we could say this is a 13 chord. This is a 13 chord with the flat 9. Okay, this entirely chord is a 13 chord with the flat 9. Okay, and then he goes on the 4. Okay, so we could play the 4 like this as well. And then, yeah. You see it? So this is a C power chord in our left hand, and then there we just play a 1 chord on that chord. Okay, and then we will play that movement. You see, so then this is G, A, C. So, and then there we're going to play exactly the same thing on the 1 chord. You see, so I just played the 1 chord with a 5 chord, which make it become a major 9 chord, and I will play the same movement in my right hand. So this is a D major chord with D, E, G, okay? And then we will go on the 4 chord here. Let's move on to C. So, yeah, let me see it again. Okay, so there, this is a 9/11 chord. Yeah, this is what I think he plays. Okay, and then this is what he does. Let me see it again. Okay. Yeah, this is exactly the same. They have the same sound. Yeah, let's move on. Let's see. Yeah. Yeah. So this is and then he's going on the 4 chord. Let's move on to C. Okay, this is almost the same. This is the 1, and then the 7. This is a 5. This is a D at 9 drop 2. Okay, we consider it as a 7. Okay, to go on the 6 as a minor 7 chord. To go on the 5 chord, and we could add the 11 again there. To go on the 4 major 9 chord again there, and then yeah. So I think that this is all we could learn in that video. So I hope you enjoyed that video. We shared a lot of ideas. So I think that these ideas are going to help you a lot. Okay, so Bum, bum, bum.